Hey guys, do a slick back on my 4C hair with me. As you can see, my hair is already blow dried. You have to actually blow dry your hair for this to work. And then I had to part my hair into the middle. I had to make a very straight middle part. You have to make sure your middle part is really straight. Then I divided my hair in two parts so that it's easier to work with. After tying and separating my hair, the product I used for my slick back was Isoplus. I know a lot of people don't really like using Isoplus for slicking back, but I prefer it because it doesn't really leave a lot of greasiness to the hair, and it also doesn't have a white cast. After applying the gel around the first section of my hair, I went in with my brush and I started brushing my hair upwards for where my ponytail was going to be, and made sure that it was slicked back as much as possible. After slicking back the hair, I then went in with a ribbon to tie the first section up. Make sure that you put it in the right position and make sure that it's tight as much as possible, because you want the hair to be as flat as possible. Now we're going to be working with the first section. As I said before, and I'll say it again, make sure your middle part is in the middle of your face. If you have to redo it a couple of times, then you must redo it. After making my middle part, I then went in with more Isoplus around my middle area and around the sides so that we can slick it back properly. I then brushed my hair with my sleeking brush and made sure that my hair is as flat as possible. So if you have to go in multiple times with that brush, then you have to go in, because we don't want any bumps or any ridges. Then I took the parts and then I tied it together with the first part that I tied. You have to make sure you fluff your ponytail at the back so that it looks fluffy and has volume. I also use some Glamor holding spray so that my hair doesn't lift. I just sprayed it around and let it sit for at least 5 minutes before I went in and put a scarf around my hair. I let my hair sit in the scarf for about 15 minutes. After letting the hair sit, I had to remove it from my scarf to see how it's going. And voila guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. At this point, I hadn't done my edges, and what's a slick back without doing your edges? So I used red one for slicking back my edges. Spray to hold my edges. I would spray it on my finger and then apply it on my edges gently so that they hold. As you can see, this is the end result. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.